Welcome. This guided meditation is designed to help you reclaim your energy. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your body settle. Allow your hands to rest gently, and if it feels safe, close your eyes. I invite you to take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Again, breathing in through the nose and slowly out through the mouth. Begin to notice your body. Notice where it touches the surface beneath you. Feel the earth holding you, supporting you. Let your breath start to slow. No effort, no rush, just gentle awareness as you inhale calm and exhale stress. Now I invite you to bring your attention to your energy, that invisible thread that moves through you, that spark that guides your thoughts, emotions, and actions. As you breathe, begin to ask yourself gently, where has my energy gone today? Or perhaps this week? Where do I feel drained or scattered? Let your imagination guide you. Maybe you see images, or maybe it's just a sense or a knowing. Picture your energy like tiny glowing threads. Some are close, some have been stretched out, given away without much thought. Given away to conversations, to obligations, to distractions, to trying to please, to worry, to comparison. As each one floats before you, offer it compassion. No need to judge, just witness. This is you becoming aware. Now begin to call your energy back. With every breath, with every exhale, let those glowing threads gently return to your body, like pieces of yourself coming home. Feel them settle into your chest, your belly, your arms and legs, even your fingertips. You might feel warmer, heavier, or simply more whole. Let this returning be soft and loving. Your energy is not lost, it just wandered, and you are welcoming it back with kindness. Breathe it in and feel it fill you from within. Now imagine your body rooted to the earth, from the base of your spine, from the soles of your feet. Roots grow down into the ground, steady, strong, grounded. These roots anchor you. They keep you centered and safe, connected to the rhythm of the earth. Now, from this grounded place, set an intention to honor your energy, to check in with it, to pause when you feel it slipping, to gently protect it. You don't have to give all of yourself away. You can still show up with love while honoring your own peace. Take a moment now to place a hand on your heart and whisper to yourself, "I honor my energy." I welcome myself back. I protect my peace. Allow that to settle into your body like a promise. Take a few more breaths, slowly and softly. Letting this moment of reconnection anchor itself within you. And when you're ready, begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe you roll your shoulders and smile a little. And then softly open your eyes and come back to the day before you. Thank you for meditating with me. If you found this meditation therapeutic or beneficial to your well-being, subscribe to my channel, share with a friend, or leave a comment below. Your kind acts of karma help keep this channel active and alive.